Hello, this is Zachary Levine, and this is going to be my submission for exercise 6 on 3D printing. So, what is 3D printing? It is technology that basically just creates 3D objects from digital designs and it builds them layer by layer using materials like plastic, resin, and metal. It's also can be called additive manufacturing. Who is using 3D printing? Some current users being manufacturing and automotive industries, healthcare industries use it for prosthetics and implants, and education and research. And some potential users in the near future could be construction, aerospace, and fashion industries. And some impacts, some positive impacts being custom designs, faster production, and less waste, and negatives being high material costs, limited large scale production. Where are they using 3D printing? Some countries being USA, Germany, China, and it's emerging in Kenya in the past 10 years, and some industries being medicine, architecture, and education, and some challenges with it being limited access to equipment in rural areas, especially in Kenya, and high setup costs. Why are they using 3D printing? I did a SWOT analysis on this company. It's hard to pronounce. And it's some strengths being they are the pioneer in the 3D printing industry. They have broad material options and a strong research and development relationships. Some weaknesses being expensive technology, dependence on niche markets, and some opportunities being medical and construction industries, and global expansion into Africa and Asia, and some threats being rising competition, such as companies HP and Formlabs, and then supply chain disruptions. Next, when are they using 3D printing? So it was first used in the 1980s. It's now very rapidly expanding, and it's probably going to be completely global in the next 10 years. And it's used for prototypes and small scale manufacturing, and some barriers being like not being able to afford the equipment necessary for 3D printing, and a need for technical training and how to use and use these products. How can 3D printing help SDGs in Kenya? With education, provide hands on STEM learning using 3D printed tools, healthcare for affordable prosthetics and medical devices, the economy, local production reduces imports, and job creation through innovation hubs. Those are some things that 3D printing can help out with in Kenya. My two truths and one lie. Number one, 3D printing can create working human organs. Number two, Kenya is using 3D printing to make affordable prosthetic limbs. And number three, 3D printing wastes more material than traditional manufacturing. And for my works cited, I have a UNDP Kenya Innovation and SDGs report, World Bank Digital Manufacturing in Kenya, that company overview and sustainability, 3D printing industry global market 2024 report. Thank you for watching, and again, this is going to be my submission for exercise 6 on 3D printing.